Rise early in the morning, the sun your alarm, the sacred hour shrouded in silence. Let in the light, splash your face with cold water, brew a coffee, watch the bubbles, the steam rise, hear the hiss. Sit down and drink it real slow, enjoy every second of it. Feed the cat, feed the other cat, then feed yourself. Eat some simple food, maybe a piece of bread with butter and honey, a couple grapes, a slice of cheese. Then close your eyes, feel the sun on your face, hear the wind through the leaves, the coo of a bird. Now start your day. Before your mind becomes too fatigued, get your work done. Pick your hardest task, block out some time and get started. Focus on your environment here. Make sure there are no distractions, just you and your brain. Keep going till you've finished. Now's the time for secondary tasks, the mundane, the menial. Put the kingdom into order. Next, look after your health, your body and mind. Move, exercise, eat well. Whatever you can do with whatever you've got. Just do something. Then comes the mind. Meditation is the key here. Sit down, focus on your breathing, watch your mind wander, then bring it back. It's that simple. The French have this concept called flâneur. It means to wander, to walk with no purpose, for the sake of it. But really, it's the art of life, the appreciation of the moment. These days, everything needs a reason. I think that's why we find ourselves so bored so much of the time. The great irony of our lives is that we procrastinate our time away waiting for a task that seems productive when we could have just been living. When was the last time you listened to music just for the beauty of it? Wandered the streets of your town just for the joy it gave you? Read a book not because it gave you something, but because it was a damn good story? These are the things you should fill your day with. You know, that's the real beauty of removing these crutches from your life. Sure, quitting social media and video games and junk food will make you more productive, but the real benefit is the life it gives you. When you don't have that easy dopamine, you have to really work for it. The little things start to give you joy because for the first time your happiness isn't set at an unrealistic level by all that dopamine. Finally, normal life starts to give you pleasure. The things you used to think were boring become the little sparks you look forward to. When you start actually looking for it, there's beauty all around you.
Some wine?
Yes, please. Cheers, my baby.
Full meal. Now it's the problem.